Hey guys, welcome back. Today's April Fool's. Sorry, gotcha. April Fools! Gotcha! I hope that I gotcha, because that was my intent. I'm just joking. I'm not going anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back. I have to comment on some comments that were left on the April Fool's video that I did. I suppose if I titled it April Fools, well, number one, it would have given away the April Fool's joke, but it would have probably kept people around a little longer. So apparently I was pretty convincing that I was quitting. Sorry, it was all a big joke, and I fooled, for the most part, I think almost everyone that watched it, from at least the comments. I didn't get comments from everyone that watched it, but from those of you who commented, for the most part, you understood it was an April Fool's joke because you watched it past like 2 minutes and 14 seconds. However, there were some people that commented apparently before watching it 2 minutes in, or 2 minutes and I think 2 minutes 14 seconds, or 2 minutes 17 seconds, I believe is where I finally just I said it was April 1st and it was an April Fool's joke. But I got several comments from people that they really took it as sincere, and their comments were like really heartfelt, and I appreciate that, but they didn't watch it long enough. So there was one gentleman who said, man, and I'm just going to paraphrase because I don't remember exactly, but he's like, man, Matthew, I'm so sorry to hear that. I'll sure be wish you well and hope everything works out, and I've already unsubscribed, and see you later. So if that person would have watched it 2 minutes in, I mean 2 minutes, literally, they stopped watching and they commented, and the video was, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 minutes long, something like that. I don't remember exactly how long it was, but they literally commented within before 2 minutes. Like, how can you really understand the fullness of what I was trying to say if you stop so soon into it? And again, it was just people, and the comments, none were rude, but it was like I meant for it to be a joke, you know. It was April Fool's, and everybody knows what April Fool's is for the most part. Even people in other countries that commented knew what April Fool's was. So I think it's kind of a more than just America that knows what April Fool's is. But anyway, it was kind of concerning to me because I didn't in any way mean to deceive anybody past 2 minutes and 15 seconds. But it was intended on being a joke. So to those of you who watched it, now you've already unsubscribed. So if this pops back up on your feed, you know, I didn't go anywhere. I wasn't planning on going anywhere, and if they would only have watched it through its entirety, or past 2 minutes and 15 seconds, they would have understood that. So my apologies to those who took it too soon and went the wrong way with it. I applaud you guys who did watch it that far and took it so well. I had several people say that I should be an actor because I was so convincing. One fella said, how many takes did it take for you to do that? Because I want to see the bloopers reel. It didn't take but that one. I didn't even have anything planned. I just sat down and I knew I was going to make an April Fool's joke or something. Number one, I had a Rat Fink shirt on, and my classic plastic hat. So it was like I was you know, I was in it, you know what I mean? I was in the moment with like my modeling stuff, and then I made that. I was kind of I did that on purpose. But anyway, some people still really fell for it, and fell for it pretty hard. So you guys who are wondering why is he still making videos, that's because I never intended to stop. April Fools, that was the theme. Again, if I'd have put it in the title, it would have given the whole thing away, and what fun would that be? So to those of you who stuck with it and told me what a explicit word I was in a joking way, I laughed so many times reading those comments. I encourage you guys, if you've not read the comments, go check them out. It is hilarious what some people said, and even some people got me by saying, because I would start reading their comment and it would be like, man, Matthew, I'm so sorry to see you go, and on and on and on. And then they said, by the way, April Fools. And so it was all good. So in future April Fools videos, maybe I should put a big disclaimer, like this is an April Fool's joke, but that would take all the fun out of it. So anyways, I'm not going to do that. I might not do them anymore because I don't want to lose subscribers over something like that. And hopefully they will come back. This isn't a plea to like, please come back if you've unsubscribed. It's not that at all. But I do encourage you guys, not just here, but other places. Watch, maybe take the time to watch, if you don't, go take the time to watch a little longer duration of these guys' videos, because the way YouTube works, especially for the guys who are trying to reach their 1,000 subscribers, it takes 4,000 watch minutes, or I'm sorry, watch hours. That is a long time. 4,000 hours. I don't know how much actual time that is, like in days, or even, is there 4,000 hours? There's 24 hours in a day, 24 times 365. I'm not good at math, so maybe 4,000. 4,000 watch hours is huge. But for these guys that are trying to get to their 1,000, to monetization. Okay, I understand. Some people are like, I'm not in this thing for monetization. Well, some guys are. That it helps with their to fund their hobby. So you guys, I encourage you all to watch their video. Give them a little bit more watch time. It helps them to grow. Once they get their 1,000 subscribers, they have to have 4,000 watch hours to make monetization. 4,000 watch hours is a long time, so you have to have that minimum time people have watched your video. So if you only watch like a minute of their video, it's going to take a really long time for them to reach that that goal. So I encourage you guys to just, let's watch it a little longer. I understand that there are videos that we are not interested in. We'll click on them and we'll see we're not interested, and we'll leave. That's going to happen with, I'm not saying no, you stay and you watch every minute of every video even if it's bad. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying, I don't know, walk away, let it play a while. You know what I mean? If you're sitting at your TV and your wife's beside you, I know you don't want to watch something that's not fun at all, but you know my point. I'm not complaining about that. I'm beyond that, and I appreciate all the support that's gotten me to where I'm at. But anyway, it was all fun and games until I saw that I'd really tricked people and they took it the wrong way, and they left such kind words. But they weren't needed if they'd just went past 2 minutes and 15 seconds. But anyways, all right guys, I am done. Not with videos, just this video, okay? I don't know if you've watched it this far or not, but if you haven't, I'm not leaving. I'm still gonna build models. And that's what this channel is about. And it's a lot of fun for me, and I hope that it's entertainment for you guys as well. And that's what the point of that video was. It was just entertainment. So, with all that said, I am finished with this video. Trying to be specific here. And I hope that you guys don't unsubscribe. And give me a like. Oh, I got a bunch of dislikes. Speaking of likes, I got a bunch of thumbs down from that video. So I don't know if it was guys that, I don't know. It's a mystery. YouTube is a big mystery. If you've not been in YouTube, you may not understand that. It's a mystery. Those people that are behind this camera, some of them apparently don't like me. That's okay, because they had to watch the video to give me all like 25 thumbs down or whatever it is. You guys can't see the thumbs down, but I can. And it's pretty big amount of thumbs down. But to you thumbs downers out there, ha, I got you because you watched my videos. All right, guys, done with this video. And hey, have a great day. And we will see you very soon on some other kind of model related content that I'm doing, whether it be opening up a box or showing you my progress or tricking you with an apron. I'm not going to do that. We've got a whole year to wait until that, and I can't pinch you for St. Patrick's Day or anything like that, so April Fool's is really the only fun one that I can do. So anyway, all right, guys, I'm done rambling. See you later. Take care. Bye.